Hey there, health-conscious viewers! If you're on a weight loss journey and searching for the best diet to shed those pounds, you're in for a treat. Today, we'll uncover some science-backed insights to help you find the best diet for weight loss. Let's get started. Number 1. Understanding calorie deficit. The key to weight loss is a calorie deficit, burning more calories than you consume. Regardless of the diet you choose, creating a calorie deficit is fundamental for successful weight loss. Number 2. The balanced plate. A balanced plate is a winner. Focus on filling half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables, a quarter with lean proteins, and the remaining quarter with whole grains. This balanced approach ensures you get essential nutrients while managing your weight. Number 3. Portion control. Portion control is crucial. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain when consumed in excess. Be mindful of portion sizes to stay on track with your calorie goals. Number 4. Low-carb and ketogenic diets. Low-carb and ketogenic diets have gained popularity for weight loss. These diets focus on reducing carb intake, encouraging your body to burn fat for fuel. However, individual results may vary. Number 5. Mediterranean diet. The Mediterranean diet is a heart-healthy choice. Rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil, it can support weight loss while promoting overall well-being. Number 6. Plant-based diets. Plant-based diets can be effective for weight loss. Emphasize nutrient-rich plant foods and limit processed options for a healthy and sustainable approach. If you found these insights helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health and nutrition content.